What's going on, welcome back to the channel. So I got a pretty cool video. So I'm painting the all-new 2024 Ford Mustang, and as you know, this is a full 3D printed resin body. So in this video, I'm going to explain everything how to do a resin body, because I know there's some guys out there who don't know how to do a resin body, how to paint them and stuff. So this video is perfect, and I decided to show you guys. So this color that I'm using is a splash paint color. This is a custom mixed color. So as I'm doing the hard to reach areas first, like I always do, I do hard to reach areas first, and then move on to the whole body. So just have you know, Splash Paints, this is a custom color like I mentioned. So Splash Paints I contacted him and I asked him if he could do this blue, and it took him a bit to find it, and he found it and he custom mixed it for me. So this is called Blue Ember. This is an all new Ford Mustang Dark Horse color, particular for this Mustang, and it's a very cool color. It's a dark midnight blue, but with like a pearlescent of like a red inside of it. You can't really see the red in this video because I'm spraying it, but I'm sure when I clear coat it, it should pop out amazing. So Splash Paints, if you go to his website, I'll put a video on your screen. He has, just go to his automotive section and hit custom color, and then add it to your cart, and then you are going to have to put in the color code, or name of it at least, so he knows what color it is. So say if you want to replicate the color of your car, if you're replicating your car but you want the same exact color, get that color combination or combo, or color code I should say, and send it to Splash Paints, and Splash Paints can mix it for you, which is pretty cool and very good service. So like I said, this is custom mix, and this is actually a very cool color. So like I said, this is a resin body. So just in case you don't know how to paint a resin body, it's actually more simpler than you think. It's just like painting your resin body, but resin, it's actually more sturdy, which means you can go a little bit more heavier on the paint than you could on the resin or styrene body. If you go pretty heavy on the styrene body, like a normal model kit, the paint tends to eat or wrinkle up on the styrene more. So that's actually a bit more careful. You have to be more careful on that. With resin, paint does not eat into the resin, because resin is more dense, it's more high dense of the quality material. So you can go pretty thick on your first coat, but not too thick because you don't want runs or anything like that. But as normal, you can paint these resin bodies more thicker than normal, as a normal generic resin or generic, styrene kit. So this is the first coat, and after this first coat, I let it dry for about 5 to 10 minutes. Then after that, move on to your second coat. Second coat could be more heavier, but like again, I always do hard to reach areas first, and then the whole body afterwards. Alright, now it's time to move on to the third and final coat. So again, hard to reach yours first if you want to, but originally the third coat I don't normally do that because those parts are originally covered on the second coat at least. And now the third coat can be your thickest coat of them all. So like I said, resin bodies are pretty simple to paint with. Like I said, they're more easier to paint, I think, in my opinion, than a regular styrene body, because you don't have to be as careful, because like I said, the material is more dense and it can take the paint more. So this is the third coat, thickest of them all. Or if you want, you can do 3, 4, 5 coats, depends how many you want. But make sure you don't fill in your pillow lines. Other than that, guys, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. And would you let the body dry for about 2 to 3 hours, if not longer? If you can wait overnight, that'd be perfect. But 2 to 3 hours with splash paints should be dry enough, and you can go into a clear coat if you don't have a second tone paint job you want to do. But alright, guys, until my next video, hope you enjoyed. But I'll catch you guys next time. Take it easy, guys.